Hey guys, here's the first segment on how to do, or a quick overview of the information that's on slides number 5. So we're going to take a quick look at identifying functions and how to determine whether a relation is a function. All of this we've gone over last year, and all of this you did in the past. So this should just be a quick overview. On the first slide, you're going to see you need to decide whether something is a function or not. So a couple things to remember. In order to be a function, each input can only have one output. Most importantly, what does that mean? It just means that your x values cannot repeat, and if you're looking at a graph, it has to pass something called the vertical line test. So in terms of the examples that are in your thing, remember these are drag and drop. So you're literally going to drag the letters at the bottom to the boxes to decide if it's a function or not. So for the first one, this is considered a mapping. Remember, this just means 6 goes to 3, 7 goes to 2, 8 goes to 4. Do any of those x values repeat? What that would look like is if any of these letters, like this guy, so this means -5 is going to 10 and -5 is going to 15. That's automatically going to mean that it's not a function. If you're looking at ordered pairs, or any of your x's the same, so 2, 7, and 1, all of those are different, which means yes, it's a function. The y values do not matter. However, if you look at f, 6, 6, 6, those are all the same, which means it's not a function. In terms of a graph, so like a regular straight line is a graph, unless it's a vertical line, or anything that's curved could be a function as long as it passes the vertical line test. You can literally use your pencil and you can see, does it touch the graph more than once? So h in this example is a function because yes, it doesn't cross the vertical line. It doesn't hit your pencil more than once. But if you look over here, this is an absolute value function in which it crosses twice. So anything that's overlapping, so if it was like a sideways parabola or if it was a circle, those would be examples of non-functions. Again, these are just more, you're going to say whether A is a function or B is a function or neither is a function. Connor! And again, these are just the same type of examples. So like these are both functions, even though they look a little funky, because again, you could draw a vertical line and it would only pass it once. For the last section, or the third slide, you're just, again, comparing. You're going to use these clues to decide which one of them explains that. So just look at what are the input and the output and decide which one matches. And then for the last one, they literally said create a circle around this. So you could literally insert a shape to check yes or no, or you could just write yes, no in this box and explain how. And you just need to decide, are these functions or not? So that's it for the first one. And then again, this is the bit.ly for your exit ticket. You can use this link directly, or it will also be linked in Google Classroom. Email me with any questions. Bye.